You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from Italian, meaning smoked. Okay, so it generally refers to something that is smoked, like a smoked salmon or a meat. The Italian pronunciation first. If you want to learn more Italian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. We got tons more. Sfumato, sfumato, sfumato is the Italian pronunciation. Therefore, in English, you can pronounce it as sfumato, from Italian sfumato. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.